In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the GitHub terminal, a powerful tool that lets you interact with repositories directly from your browser. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you can get started quickly, even if you're new to GitHub. First things first, open your web browser and head over to GitHub's official website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for today's instructions, I'm assuming you do. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner. Here you'll see the option to sign in. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your GitHub account. Upon successful login, you'll arrive at your GitHub dashboard. This is your headquarters where you can manage all your repositories and projects. From your dashboard, select a repository you'd like to work with. For our example, let's click on a specific file within your chosen repository. Navigating these files is an essential skill, as this is where your project's code and documentation are held. Next, locate the arrow down icon within the file interface. This icon is a gateway to more options that can enhance your view and interaction with your content. Clicking on this will lead you to another useful feature known as github.dev. When you select github.dev, you're actually transitioning to a web-based code editor interface. This interface allows you to edit code directly in your browser, a vital tool for developers looking to streamline their workflows. Once you are in the github.dev environment, look for the settings option in the navigation panel. Clicking on settings will reveal more detailed configurations. Here, you can tailor your environment according to your preferences, but today our focus is to access the terminal feature, a critical step if you want to start running commands and scripts on the fly. In the settings menu, find and click on terminal. This option opens a command line interface right within your browser, essentially giving you the same power and functionality as you would have with a local terminal application. It's an efficient way to interact with your repository without leaving your browser. Finally, select New Terminal to start a fresh terminal session. This action allows you to execute commands, run scripts, and perform a multitude of tasks, all directly within your GitHub repository. It's a convenient way to test changes, execute pull commands, or initiate builds. Once you've mastered opening a new terminal, you'll find navigating your projects becomes much more streamlined and efficient. And that concludes our guide on navigating the GitHub terminal. By following these steps, you should now feel more comfortable working within your GitHub environment, enhancing your productivity and making your coding journey smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.